Welcome to another edition of ABC Graphic Design for Non-Designers. I'm Kayla and I hope you enjoy this video. So my new series is all about commercial printing. Jobs you take to the printer, not stuff you print at home. And we are going to look at the following things. We're going to start out with the different printing techniques, local print shop or online print shop, finding the best print shop for your project, how to compare and what to look for, specialty printing, cardstock materials, finishes, etc., and understanding printer requirements. Let's start with the introduction of the most popular and most used printing techniques. I would like to start out with digital printing. So this video is all about digital. And in the following few videos, we'll talk about offset and litho printing, screen printing, 3D printing, and flexography. When we talk about digital printing, means the source is always digital or in electronic file or image. So it comes either from your digital camera or it comes from your computer. And we have the categories of laser printing and inkjet printing. Laser printing uses toner cartridges, is mostly used in business, has the advantage over inkjet that it prints a lot faster, can handle high volume printing, and in the long run is cheaper per page than inkjet. Inkjet printing uses pigment ink cartridges, is used for smaller jobs, is not a good choice if you have to print a lot of volume. It has a quick turnaround, is easy to set up, and it is very versatile. Commercial inkjet printing is also called 4-color printing. The 4 colors are CMYK. It is a system for print, the color system used for printing. So the colors are cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, and it refers to the 4 ink plates in printing. It can be printed on many different surfaces, such as acrylic, plastic, glass, canvas paper, fabric, cardboard, and the list goes on. And it goes to different industries and many different items: advertising, t-shirts, merchandise printing, literature, labels, signage, photo prints, and so on. Let's quickly look at how it works. So, in inkjet, tiny droplets of ink create the image. Now, you might remember that I spoke about DPI in my previous video before you web optimize the JPEG photo. And we talked about DPI in printing, which is 300. And it literally means that 300 droplets are printed per inch. Now, when you look at these 3 examples, let's assume this is an inch each. 72 dpi would be a web image, which is efficient for the web. You can see there's a lot less density. Now 150 images double the 72, and print requires the 300. Is basically 4 times the information you have in a web image goes into a print image. There is another specialty in digital printing, which is called large or wide format printing. Now, small format printing are typical items below 14 and 20 inches. Large or wide format printing can be for indoor or outdoors and can be up to 16 feet. That's a super size. It can apply to many substrates: vinyl, PVC sheets, canvas, aluminium, foam, textile, acrylic. And we're talking about items like billboards, trade show signage, posters, store signage, car wraps, and so on. We have one more specialty in inkjet printing, which is not commercial. It is called fine art archival printing. Now, you might ask yourself, what is the difference between a photo print and an art print? The difference is paper and ink. Fine art prints are used for art reproduction of paintings, sculpture, installation, photographic prints, etc. The preferred paper for art prints is usually 100% cotton fiber, which has a much longer lifespan than commercial paper. It absorbs the ink well, shows the most vibrant print results, but there are many other specialty papers to choose from as well. Has to meet specific standards, is mostly printed with a specialty ink called archival ink and offers up to 12 color printing. This concludes my presentation on digital printing, commercial digital printing. And next time we'll move on to offset and litho printing. I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching and see you next time.